TrendzBot. Hey there, welcome to my TrendzBot review. My name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit. I generate a full-time income on the internet with affiliate marketing, and I've been doing this for 10 years now. So I've got quite a good idea about how these different product launches and strategies work. So hopefully my thoughts on TrendzBots taken from my previous experience working in this industry will be of help to you as you do your research. Before we dive in, click that link below in the video description to discover my current top recommended system to plug into right now. It's a complete done-for-you system and a really excellent way to get started building your email list and building up a realistic income online. So with TrendzBot, it is a website that has these automated features. Some of them are hooked up to ChatGPT and some of them are not, which basically lets you curate content on the internet, trending content based on keywords that you give it. And there's an interesting demo on the TrendzBot website to let you know a bit more how it works. Basically, there's a variety of different methods to get content on your website without having to create it yourself. You can either use when you create the website to start with, it will be on a trendzbot.co.in subdomain, but in order to get any traction with your own website in terms of ranking on Google, you're going to want to customize the domain and map it to your own unique domain. With these type of websites, sometimes it's even better to buy an expired domain that has already got backlinks and then map that to your automated website that you may purchase via these various systems. If you're just sharing on social media, it's less important to have your own custom domain, but if you're getting traffic from Google, it's important to have your own custom domain, preferably with already a bit of authority from a GoDaddy auction. So this is the content curation part. You just type in a hashtag keyword and you get to see content on the main social media platforms that you can then publish onto your blog with a couple of clicks. To make this unique, I would also manually add your own bit of text, tweak the headline, maybe target some long tail keywords rather than just publishing everything as is. So this part of the content is not ChatGPT and it's not AI, it's simply scraping the internet for your hashtags and then letting you repost other people's contents onto your blog, which is a reasonable thing to do as long as you keep the backlinks in and credit the original place that the content was published to. And there's various different other ways to curate content in addition to that hashtag. You can create artificial intelligence articles, which is where ChatGPT comes in. It's kind of like an AI article writer, which will write you unique content based on keywords you give it. So that's one way of getting content on there without you writing it yourself. It's still going to be worth manually checking it, editing it, tweaking it to make it more higher quality. And there's also another part where you can hook up to API news feeds and publish news content and press releases. And also get RSS content from news websites. That would be the better use of it, in my opinion, rather than using AI content to write generic stuff. I would just repurpose existing press releases, republish it on your blog and link back to the original press release. And I've noticed some websites on Google are actually ranking highly simply by the sheer volume of content they are publishing on a daily basis. And then their web domain builds up in authority by doing that. And the best way of building up lots and lots of content is kind of using news style articles. So I think the trending news approach is better than generic keyword targeted AI articles. So to be the news part of this, I would rather dive into. So it looks like a cool feature. This is going to be better for people who already know SEO and getting traffic on the internet. It's not suddenly going to generate traffic in its own right just by having this content on there. You're going to have to effectively share it via social media platforms where you already have a following, or you're going to have to do some decent SEO and build up your authority of your own custom domain over time before it starts ranking, simply by using it as is without any extra approach in SEO tactics is not going to work by itself. But for people who are already good at SEO, building up websites authorities, over time you may pick up a bit of traction. So TrendzBot, an interesting way to curate content on your website, both using AI and other curation RSS methods as well, and API methods that are not our ChatGPT AI. So it's a bit of both, so it's pretty cool. What I do with my marketing is I simply focusing on driving traffic to squeeze pages. So I'm building my email list and then sending clicks to high converting, high paying affiliate offers, usually sales video presentations. So whether you're using free traffic methods such as your own websites and blogs, or you're paying for advertising, the focus should be on getting traffic to a squeeze page, building your email list and getting clicks day in, day out to high converting sales video presentations. If you click the link below, click that link in the video description for my current top system to plug into right now. It's a complete done for you system, and it's the exact same process I go through for generating a full-time income on the internet. So click the link below for my current top recommendation. Thanks a lot, and for checking out my TrendzBot review, and I shall speak soon.